Oh, I'm sorry. You know all YouTubers say, this is a disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag. Obviously, I'm not trying to brag. I didn't get anything.
Ain't had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Yeah. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip club. Jack girl, pretty face with a big hole.
What's up, y'all? Y'all know I always put y'all on, so how could I not tell y'all about this? This here is a customized name necklace. Yes, customized, so you can have it say whatever you want. Your name, your boyfriend's name, your nickname, anything. It's super cute, super affordable, so you guys really should go cop. It comes in this pretty packaging, and they also sent me another one. It says Miss Celeb, and they sent me a cleaner to keep my jewelry clean. This company here, super cheap, fast shipping, very affordable, high quality. Go shop, don't sleep. Get your customized name necklace today. What's poppin' Day Nation? It's your girl Dayla here, aka Miss Celeb. If you ain't gang, do you lame? What you saying? What you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. And today's YouTube video is going to be a video on what I got for Christmas 2019. And I'm really late with this. Today is the 28th. Christmas was the 25th. So I'm really late. And I need some lashes. I look hit right now, honestly, but I haven't posted in so long. I'm coming to y'all with what I got for Christmas. Y'all probably like, girl, where have you been? I haven't posted in almost 2 weeks. That's so unlike me. That's so unlike me. And if this is your first time seeing my face, this is your first time watching my channel, please don't judge me because I look hit right now, y'all. I've been going through it. I look hit. Trust me, I'm cute. Follow my Instagram. It's on the screen. I'm cute, trust me. I know I look hit in this video, but yeah. So I just haven't been posting. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been posting on Instagram. I've been active, but I just haven't been motivated to post on YouTube, y'all. Like, I have not been motivated, and it's super sad because that's not like me. It's not like me. But yeah, and I got these high ponytails. I don't know what's going on, y'all, but I just need to get this video out here. So I didn't get much for Christmas, honey. I ain't getting none for Christmas. I didn't get nothing. Well, I did get this bedroom suit, actually. I'm lying. The thumbnail will probably have like, I didn't get nothing for Christmas. It's slick, kind of clickbait, just kind of bit. But because I got stuff, but I didn't really get stuff, you know. I didn't get the stuff an average person would get. I got stuff, but I didn't get the stuff an average person would get. So I got this bedroom suit. You see the bed. I'm gonna do a room tour soon because as soon as I get my room together, like, my room is just not together yet. But yeah, and I have to film right here on my bed. I think this might be my new filming spot. I don't know, because my bed cute now, and I can't find my backdrop. So, but yeah, I'm just getting to what I got, and everything is pretty much right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of shoes, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, we're gonna start off with what's on top. Oh, I'm sorry. You know all YouTubers say, this is a disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag. Obviously, I'm not trying to brag. I didn't get anything. But yeah, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I bought all my stuff with my own money, except for the bedroom suit. My dad bought the bedroom suit. So that's a big Christmas gift because bedroom suits are not cheap. So yeah, everything I bought with my own money except for some of the stuff my boyfriend bought me. But yeah, I didn't ask for none of this shit for Christmas. Woo! Yeah. Hello? Y'all probably like, why didn't you really ask for anything for Christmas? So I made a Christmas wish list video. That's stuff that I would want, like, if I would have asked. But I just rather get stuff myself instead of waiting to see what I got or what I didn't get. And I don't really want to celebrate Christmas no more. Like, honestly, my family was just still celebrating Christmas for me because I was still young. So they tried to get everything I wanted and stuff and still celebrate Christmas for me. But something happened in my life where I don't... Some of y'all know, some of y'all don't. I don't feel like going over it, but yeah, I'm not gonna get deep into it. But basically, my mom passed some years ago, so it's just like not the same, you know. When you lose someone you love, it's not the same. Holidays will never be the same. So I don't celebrate holidays, especially Christmas, because it's just not the same. But yeah, of course I'm gonna get myself some new stuff though. So I got myself these shoes. They cute, some Vapor Max Plus. They just to work in because they comfortable and I'm gonna work in them. So yeah, these are cute. Next, are these Yeezys my boyfriend got me. And they so cute. I already wore them. If you haven't seen on my Instagram, I already wore these. I've already worn these. But yeah. These here. They're cute. So yeah. Then I got myself. Oh, he also bought me some pink panties. But I already put them in my drawer. So they was in a little cute little pink bag, you know. So I got those. Oh, and I also ordered some clothes from Fashion Nova, and they still haven't got here. So at Fashion Nova, where are my clothes? I ordered a lot of clothes. And excuse my dogs for barking. I ordered a lot of clothes from Fashion Nova. I want them to be here by Christmas, but they still not here. So I'm waiting on those clothes, and I'm gonna go to Forever 21 and some more stores and buy some more little clothes. But yeah, I got myself these Uggs. These brown Uggs, because I needed some more Uggs, some more classic Uggs, because mine are destroyed, honey, destroyed. So I just got these super cute classic brown, you know. And myself these Uggs. They're silver and they're sequins and they turn into gold. So that's super cute. But that's really cute. I like these. These hard. So yeah, I like that. And lastly, I got myself these Uggs. They're also sequins, but they're black on black. So they're black and they turn black again. You see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I got myself a white purse. And that's it. My clothes, I'm still waiting on them. I ordered a bunch of clothes professional. I'm still waiting on them. I don't know what the delay is, but I'm still waiting. And I'm gonna go buy me some more clothes from Forever 21 and all that good stuff. Cause I spoiled myself for Christmas, honey. I'm grown. Well, I ain't grown yet, but I'm grown. I'm finna be grown. So I know what I like. So I'd rather go and get what I like. So my folks just give me money and I go and get what I like. So yeah. This video was super quick because I didn't get shit. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill, you know the deal, and you know what to do. Thanks for watching. I love you. Period. And y'all wanna know what else? This Christmas was just a disappointment. I asked for 500,000 subscribers for Christmas. What y'all give me? Not 500K. But I'm grateful because I got a lot of subscribers. I had like 35,000 when I asked for that. I don't know. I had 30,000 subscribers and now I'm at 40,000. So I'm grateful. I'm very grateful for that. So let's keep pushing. Road to 500K. Road to 500K. Road to 500K. Yay. So we're gonna get there soon. And yeah, follow my Instagram. It's on the screen. So yeah, you know the drill, you know the deal, you know what to do. Thank you for watching. I love you. Period. And read that description. Shop with me. Buy some stuff. Buy some lashes, some lip gloss, some necklaces, some bracelets, all that jazz. Get you some, honey. Period.